In this video, let's dive into the technology of time. Hello everyone, it's your boy Ashton here from Ashton's Tech Hub, and before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like and share. Guess what? I've recently noticed that 35 to 40% of a global population purchases a smartwatch on a daily basis. You would be surprised that with the help of my Arduino kit here, I just managed to build my own. So ready? Let's get started. So the idea started with a simple question. Can I wear the code I write? So I grabbed an RTC, some jumper wires, an Arduino Nano, and a TFT display. Nothing fancy, just what I had at hand. And so, if you're curious about how I did it, let's watch the process. I'm not gonna lie, seeing my own code showing the time on my wrist felt pretty wild. It's just a prototype with wires, but it works, and honestly, that's the best part. Let's talk customization. This is where it gets fun. I can change the color, throw in a little icon, because it's my watch. I choose how time should look. And now it's your turn. You can also add your own interesting upgrades like a Bluetooth module and a small battery. Get creative. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and comment which feature I should add next. And just to leave you with this, creativity isn't just a hobby, it's a gift. God gave you the ability to create, so use it, even if you just have a Nano, a TFT, and a big idea. So hit like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.